everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 25th to 29 of May 2026 on Monday. Z2 lands what happened to her at the bridal shower. Her wall shatters. Shobane comes to a matron Katazile's rescue. Nomalanga encourages Pamela to take the matter of finding his dad into his own hands on Tuesday. Z2 gets married to Sfiso and it's introduced to the Gubega ancestors, but it turned into the day that breaks her. Shobane stands his mother as Pamela writes a war request on Wednesday. Chaos erupts at the Gubega household when Z2's mysterious disappears. Matron openly disapproves Ernest Tando's involvement with her son, but Shobane refuses to be controlled. Meanwhile, Pamela searches for his father leads to him a discovery that could finally reveal the truth on Thursday. Z2 tells her family why she disappeared, and Hlongwane's descends on the Gubega like a hurricane. Sipamandla makes progress in his quest to find his father, and Shobane's future comes up against his mother on Friday. Z2 is still nowhere to be found. Mfundo goes into a Launceston to open a case of attempted murder. Ngaraje pursues an opportunity at the local high school. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.